Login loop error on Novo Fix. If your Novo business banking app keeps sending you back to the login page, you're probably stuck in the dreaded login loop error. Most people assume the issue is on Novo's side, but here's the truth: it usually comes from cached data, expired sessions, or device-level conflicts that are easy to fix. First, completely close the Novo app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Novo, and tap Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe it away from the Recent Apps screen. Next, clear your app cache. Android users can go to Storage and select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, deleting and reinstalling the app does the same thing. Now, open your App Store or Google Play and make sure you're using the most recent version of Novo. Outdated apps can't always communicate properly with Novo's latest login and verification systems. If the issue continues, switch your network. Try logging in using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Some Wi-Fi networks block Novo's secure redirect links, which are necessary for successful authentication. If you're accessing Novo via browser, clear your cookies and cache. Old login tokens often conflict with new sessions, creating a constant redirect loop. Another trick that works: disable password managers or autofill for this login attempt. Typing your credentials manually ensures no hidden spaces or outdated passwords cause the error. Finally, restart your device and log in again. In most cases, you'll gain access right away. So remember, the Novo login loop error isn't a broken account or system bug. It's usually just a small cache or network issue that's easy to reset. Once you clear the stored data and refresh your session, you'll be back to managing invoices and transfers in no time.